I got this question a lot, guys. So I would like to share it with you. Can I learn more about your digital business online? And my answer is said, yes, of course, absolutely. But can I be honest though? A lot of people say they want change. But the moment I sent or they received the information, the first steps, they disappear. I get it because I used to be that person too. I was curious, I was interested, but also scared. Scared of wasting time, scared of online scams, scared to trust something new. But I realized walang magbabago sa buhay ko if I'm only watching from the sideline. So that's why I decided to learn, stay coachable, and take small action, small steps, one at a time. So if you are seriously looking or open to learning of how this digital business works, I am willing to share the information with you. But this opportunity only works sa mga tao na willing to respond, to learn, and take action. Yun lang po. Bye!